Inclus tutorial for visualizations. Viewing and analyzing results in Inclus is visual and dynamic. This video shows you how to use the visualizations page. The result of risk assessment sessions and entire processes can be viewed either as text reports or visualizations. Visualizations give an easy way to understand the assessment results. Feel free to click on them and play around to find deeper insights. You can always refresh the page if you feel you want to start over. The views are only saved when you click Save. There can also be several plots or charts of the same type to highlight different aspects of the data for your viewers. Add them by clicking New Results View and choose the view you would like to explore. They can be removed just as easily. Scatter plots are generally useful. You can view the views of single respondents by clicking one of the assessment factors. Respondents who have commented are marked as shimmering squares. To view results by item category, use the Categories section. Click to select one category only. Hold down the Shift key and click to select multiple categories to view results by. The Categories filter is not shown if there is only one category. You can tag items in the plots. The scatter plot allows you to select multiple items at once. Unchecking untags all selected items. In the editing window, you can also add new tags as needed. From the top panel, you can adjust the text size or compare different sessions of a repeating assessment. You can also visualize the variance and standard deviation as correlated with the size and direction of the ellipses, which will help you quickly find the differences between the groups of respondents. The separate benchmark feature lets you import response data from other projects. By default, the first listed criterion is displayed on the x-axis and the second criterion on the y-axis. By clicking on the axis title, you can choose different criterion or multiply the criteria into aggregates. You can choose the default by ordering criteria in the Criteria tab. Here you can also choose different background colors or change a 4-field plot to 9-field plot. Cumulative bar plots are another way of understanding your risks. There are similar filters as in scatter plots. You can choose the criteria you wish and order the risks based on cumulative score or the criterion you need to pay attention to. By clicking on the individual risk, you can see a full breakdown of the answer distributions. You can also view the comments relevant to the part you're inspecting. Radar chart is another visualization which allows you to see multiple criteria in a single view. Every colored line is a single item with the criteria on the axes. When you focus on a single item, the colored line represents the average of answers. Gray lines represent answers of a single participant, and every little square you see is an individual answer. If the individual answers seem too distracting, you can also hide them. Using the arrow keys, you can quickly cycle through the items, achieving more intuition of their particular features. You can also view the results in a plain table form. Here you can tailor the shown columns to your needs. Especially while going through the risks in a collective setting, it is useful to write down conclusions and add concrete tasks for controlling the risk. When constructing a report, you can invite others to view it. To help them interpret the visualizations, it can be useful to add text sections, comments, as well as a Gantt chart to give an overview of active tasks. As you can see, Inclus offers versatile methods to examine, discuss, and report your risk data. We encourage you to experiment freely to find a reporting model that works for you.